Today, PC Ghost Committee report came into existence, and it clearly shows that KCR, who thought he's a dictator, ruled the state of Telangana and looted Telangana in regard to the Kaleshwaram project. The three barrages, Sundilla, Annaram, and Medigata barrages have been constructed at their own interest, escalating the cost of the project overall 38,500 crores to 1,10,000 crores. They have clearly shown that the KCR and his nephew Harish Rao and also then Financial Minister Mr. Itala Rajender has kept the things away. They didn't even got the approval from the cabinet, but they have taken their independent decisions in regard to the Kaleshwaram project. They have allotted contract against CWC laws, which they want the contracts to be allotted in little sums to a number of contractors, but they have allotted in the large sums to the single contractors to make a lot of commissions, which clearly shows this. And the officers also, 16 officers have named in this report, and all these 16 officers have worked hand in glove with these contractors to make good sum of money or whatever the peak prodo, we don't know. End of the day, I just want to tell to the people of Telangana that it clearly shows that the 10 years of rule what KCR came into existence in the name of hesitations for the formation of Telangana is the ultimate goal is to loot the state of Telangana is clearly seen in this particular report. The Telangana cabinet will be meeting at 4 p.m. today to take further notice what to do on this particular commission's report.